Till you step back, things can't be different until you can imagine them, right? Living in a small space just invites you to look at a lot of things in a light that perhaps you haven't before. You can always make money. You can't make time. I think most people will want their life to be less complicated, not more complicated. And when you have a small place, it's less work, period, which means you can sit on the deck and read your book. You can get on your bike and go for a ride. You can go to Joshua Tree for the day. Life is the little things, and if you miss that, all of a sudden you wake up one day and you realize the big things were pretty far and few in between.